When your traveler's notebook has been with you for quite some time as your daily or travel companion, you will notice some wear and tear take hold. We do love the beautiful marks it picks up over time. However, the main elastic foundation that holds your notebook can start to become stretched out, causing your inserts to sag. When you notice this has started happening, it is a good time to change out the elastic and tin piece. Even if your elastic has not stretched out, you can swap the color if you are feeling adventurous or in the mood for a change. We have found an easy and simple way to do this. The tools you will need are your traveler's notebook, TN Repair Kit 009, scissors, any type of flat, wide-nose pliers, and this part is optional, but a small piece of thick paper to cover the tin. Now that we have all of our tools ready, we can begin. Once you have removed all the inserts from your traveler's notebook, you are going to cut off the old elastic. Next, pick a color of elastic you would like to use and measure and cut an adequate length, about 1.5 feet. If you want to add the bookmark, you can also cut that and set it aside. Remove the tin piece from the repair kit and have it close by with the strip of paper. We are going to take the ends of the elastic we have chosen and string them through the bottom holes of the notebook cover and bring them up and through the holes on the top. At this time, we are going to add the bookmark by bringing it through the top hole of the notebook and we'll leave it like that for now. Let's now take our tin piece and string it through the elastic and the bookmark string. The bookmark should be strung into the top hole of the tin piece. We want to make sure the part with the 2 holes on the tin are being strung towards the notebook. Tie a few knots to the top of the bookmark string. Then, adjust the elastic's tightness by pulling on each end. Then, we are going to make 2 regular but very tight knots. Once you feel comfortable that you have made the knots nice and tight, take the piece of paper and cover the tin. Place your pliers over from this angle and give it a good few squeezes to close it shut. It should look like this when you're done. We are now going to cut off the excess elastic and trim the bookmark down to the desired length. Your traveler's notebook is now ready for more inspiring adventures.